What do you feel? We've had some run-ins. We didn't expect to ever have run-ins with former tenants, but we've had quite a few in the last couple of months. Have you had a crazy instance of a tenant showing up at an auction, and what's kind of the craziest example of that, and how did the situation resolve itself?
Okay, that's totally a loaded question. It's happened many times, and I've had everything from the 25-year-old gangbanger that I thought was going to shoot me to the 75-year-old woman that has lost her mind to it. Everybody needs to remember when they buy it, when they're doing dealings with these people that have lost it, you should always call from a block number or a payphone or some way they can't get back a hold of you. You should always go back to the facility, instead of dealing with these people. If in the event somebody says, oh, I'll pay you triple your money, great. You just need to make sure that you don't bring them to your house, because they might end up at your doorstep at 1 o'clock in the morning with an attitude. You don't need them to know who you are. You don't need them to do any kind of legal problems. So if you are going to deal with it, try to sell them their stuff is perfectly acceptable. Not necessarily photographs and stuff given that, but things are absolute assets. And selling some of the stuff back to the former tenant, you just want to be able to have that stuff on your truck, doing public place, where you pull it in their pocket, just you make them show you the money, and then before it comes off the truck, they pay you the money. You got it in your pocket, have it to show off the truck and pay, and that's the way that it is.
He's a lot like you, so y'all get along famously.